Well, the rain has arrived. Our first winter storm. It's supposed to be a real bad thunderstorm today. And it just started. We're going to see if it's real bad and the power goes out, but I'm ready. My DIY solar power generator. I'm inside the house cooking and tending to the inside number 4 aquaponic system. Let's give the fish a little food. I love the rain though. I love the rain. Rain's a beautiful thing. And right now, my rainwater harvesting system is being refilled again, which is awesome. More free rainwater for these aquaponic systems that I harvest. All this is rainwater. This is not chlorinated water. It's better for the fish and the food. Everything's going well. And here, this tank is filling back up again. And got a lot of good growth going on. My first Ashwagandha is getting so big in here. Look how big it's getting. I got 7 more in here. So forth. And there's my vanilla orchid bean plant. This is where your vanilla comes from, people. It comes in it's grown by an orchid vine. This is an orchid vine. The blooms, they form a bean pod that has beans in it that you dry out that are vanilla plant. That's what that is, vanilla plant. So it's doing well in there. It's going to grow all the way up here, all the way up, and hopefully beans soon. There's my beautiful, gorgeous 2nd year pepper plant that's growing very well in here now that I moved it in here because it was getting too cool outside for it and it was dying down. So I brought it in here and look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 pods on it. It's going well. Putting out new leaves now as it continues to grow inside in the warmth in this aquaponics grow tent. Happy Thursday to you all. I think it's Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday. Day after Christmas. Beautiful day to grow some food. So the rain's coming down even harder now. Normally when the rain, these thunderstorms come through here, it knocks our power out. So it's picking up a whole lot now. So we'll see. We'll see what it does here. I got my large DIY solar generators all charged up. So if the power goes out, I'll have power. So you always got to be ready for these storms. Look at that now, look at it now. It's really coming down now. Look at that. All that storm water coming down. The wind's increasing a whole lot. The trees are blowing like crazy. We'll see what happens as this storm blows through here. Always be ready. Be prepared. Because ain't nobody coming to save us.